My room is just looking like hell. I have been with the concussion, with, with everything going on, filming, editing, trying to get videos on, taking classes. This is my room. There's my desk over there. Everything is just piled high with junk. Trying to pack. There's my little office, my bed. I eat in here. I live. I'm living in this room. I really am. I'm living in this room. But the reason I'm filming this is because I'm going to go take a shower and get all cleaned up, and I'm coming back and I'm cleaning this whole room up. It's going to be spotless by the time I'm done. Well, maybe not spotless, but it's going to be a lot more better organized and cleaner. Get my bed all changed and everything. It's just me in here, so it's not like it's dirty, but oh, needs to be cleaned. I've been doing so much, I just been letting it go, and I cannot do that anymore. By the way, I'm Debbie Garcia. I'm the badass baby boomer. I am getting out of a 38-year marriage to a narcissistic alcoholic who liked to thump on me. Or be ornery is what he likes to call it. Just got a little ornery. But the last time he got ornery, he gave me a concussion. So, but I'm getting out and I'm doing great. And step by step, I'm rebuilding my life and feeling really great about it. Learning all about narcissists and narcissism, and forgiving myself for being sucked into the trap. Got the bed made. Got things kind of organized a little bit. That's a start. So I'm going to finish the rest. And yeah, got a nice clean bed to sleep in. That's a start. And now I got a ton of stuff to go through and a ton of dusting and packing. Thank you, guys. You're going to see a big improvement. When you're in survival mode, it's hard to make decisions. When a narcissist is sucking the life out of you, this, like the breakup with my husband, and him getting drunk, beating on me, shaking me around, giving me a concussion, and then confessing his lust for the neighbor. I mean, I literally felt like was cracking and just splitting open, and it was hard, but I am so past that now. I mean, I seen a video from 5 months ago, 2 months after the incident happened, and boy, was I in victim mode. But I was really struggling, And now I know, I'm so far ahead of that. And that, I am so past it. I'm past that victim stage. I'm in the grateful, let's do this, let me help other people get out and figure out what to do. You got a new bed. I cleaned the bed, made you a new fuzzy bed. Oh, she loves sleeping. It used to be Daddy's side of the bed, now it's hers. Not that he ever slept in here, but so yeah, I'm going to get my room all organized. And I always start with the bed. Clean sheets, clean pillowcases, everything dusted and clean. Restart. It's like restarting your life. It's like every little project, if you could start just doing one little bit at a time. So now I'm going to start dusting now. I'll start dusting and organizing my clothes. All my clothes are clean. Yeah. Clean up my life. Clean up my room. Clean up my mind.